My name is Kovarovic. I wanted to go ahead and post an introduction video for my YouTube channel. I have been practicing Tai Chi for a little bit over 14 years. I've been teaching for about 5. Now with Tai Chi, I have had a difficult path. I've had 7 teachers altogether. Each one taught me something different about the art. So my teachers, I'm going to go ahead and give a shout out to all of them. I started with Animator in Shaolin Wushu Kung Fu in El Paso, Texas. Then I moved on to wdhc.site.live at Taijiquan in El Paso. Eric Wright, I learned some wdhc.site.live. After that, also Tang. Tang taught me a lot through Taijiquan and afterwards. After I left El Paso, I moved to San Antonio. When I first got to San Antonio, I met Mike Graves. Mike Graves blew my mind. He showed me a lot of stuff that I never even thought was possible. Since then, I've been practicing with him. I also had the privilege of training with Dave Randell. Dave Randell was originally from Guided Chaos and Kichuan. He taught me a lot of principles and application. We've done a lot of light sparring and stuff. You guys probably seen my videos on Facebook and whatnot. Now, the purpose of me putting these videos up is there was a time frame between teachers where I didn't have any guidance, and I was looking online for help, and nobody really wanted to help, especially if you're a paying student. There's all these teachers out there that know this information, teaching it, or they're not making corrections, or may not even know it, and they're just teaching what they do know. All this information is very important, especially if we want the combat art of Tai Chi to survive. So we want to get this out as widely as possible. We want to make sure that people understand it. I'm here on YouTube. I'm happy to review any videos, give feedback. Of course, teacher, it's very important to listen to what your teacher says. It may be different, and it may not agree with what I say or what I've been taught, but you could still watch these videos and get some benefit out of it. There may be something on here that may assist you with learning something or understanding something that your teacher may have already taught. So I want to make sure that everybody has access to this information. Also, nowadays, with the MMA fighters and everything, everybody's all comparing martial artists to MMA fighters. Now, the thing is, yeah, we can all get in the ring and box and fight it out, but if you get injured, that could be the end of your career. It could be life-changing. I'm considering also doing a little competition, but I have knee injuries, so I don't know about MMA or anything professional, especially long-term, because I'm not trying to get injured and lose everything over that. But there's a lot of young people out there that are interested in the combat aspects of Tai Chi. Tai Chi is a combat art. It's not a sport. Now, the principles can be used in the sport, so you can use Tai Chi in the ring. You can use Tai Chi in boxing, MMA, kickboxing, whatever. It's versatile. The principles are definitely useful, and they can be used anywhere. So I'm not saying you can't, but I'm saying it's not there right now. Nobody's using Tai Chi in the ring. There was one person that done Tai Chi, but most of the stuff that he done was Jiu-Jitsu. Nick Auspicek, you can look him up on YouTube. He is also teaching through there. Now, again, the whole purpose of this video is to help people. So I want to make sure that everybody has access to this information. They can use Tai Chi for health, martial arts, whatever your interest is whatever your interest is in getting started with Tai Chi. I want to be able to help with that, because Tai Chi is life. It permeates all aspects of life. Now, my credentials, I'm a certified Tai Chi instructor. I've been, again, teaching about 5 years. I went to school. I'm a certified physical therapy assistant. I am a graphic designer, 3D animator, certified concept artist. I have experience in customer service, over 15 years experience in customer service. So I'm also an author, freelance artist. And that's pretty much my qualifications. But if anybody out there in the martial arts world needs any assistance with any of that stuff, I'm more than happy to help out. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you, and have a good day.